So guys, right now I'm planning to buy Grasim in the market level now. So let's see how the stock will perform. So you can see at the top left, the market is not actually bullish or bearish. Okay, it's actually opened in a range bound section that is very close to the previous close. Okay, so it is a very good support level. Okay, whenever the Nifty or any stock opens very close to the previous day closing price, that means it's a good support level. So from that, if you see a good buyers coming in, or if the good green candles are coming in, that means it's in a bullish side. Okay, so the same thing is happening with the Nifty 50 as well. So it is opened in the almost close to the previous close levels, and I think from there the market can take a support and go up from here. Okay, if the stock go up from here, then I'll see that I'll almost aim for more than 0.5%. And also from here, if the market starts to go up, then the stock has a high potential to go up also. Even this stock is opening at a good support level, and even the Nifty is at a good support level today is what I'm feeling. So let's wait for it and see how the stock will perform. I selected this stock from Nifty 50 gainer and loser list in the morning itself. So it was a today's list, and I've selected this stock and I've bought it. So let's see now how the stock will perform. So as I said, I'm planning to take like minimum 7 to 8 points target if the market remains bullish. Okay, and also guys, if you're new to the stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us today. I'll teach you the simple skill to make consistent profit, no indicators and no complicated things. It's a one-time payment, you get lifetime support and live market guidance until you understand. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program, and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also, these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, yes, now back to the trading. So the stock has made a high of almost 1695.55, and now it has come down to 1690 levels, the levels where I have bought. Okay, so yes, it can fluctuate a bit. As I said you, the stock price is more than 1000 rupees, 5 to 6 points movement can be quicker in this stock. And also you can see the market is recovering a little bit, so 18,150 levels now. So if the market turns to the bullish side, then the stock can go up very easily. As the stock price is high, the movement will also be high. Okay, so let's see how it will perform. So you can see it's almost trying to make a new high, almost 1695 is going to give a breakout now. So yes, it did give a breakout here guys. So we are at a new high of 1697 almost here, if you guys can see. So we can expect a fast movement to happen now. And guys, yes, I'll just take my exit once it goes about. I'll update you guys. So I have set you the logic where I've selected the stock and everything. And if you guys wish to get the live market guidance and live market updates from me, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen and join us, and I'll be guiding you guys to make consistent profit in intraday trading, like the live trade, what I do and everything. Okay, so let's wait for some time now. Okay, so I'll take my exit once it crosses about 1700, somewhere around there. Okay, so I'll update you guys once I take my exit. So guys, yes, if you guys can see, the stock went all the way up till 1708. I bought it around before like 10 points, and I took my exit somewhere over here. And so this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of Grasim. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to learn all the techniques of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us today. You can go into my channel and watch all the videos. So every day I upload like how much profit I made in intraday trading, so you can watch all of this performance, and you can also see my client screenshot of profit in my blog, which I've given in the link in the description below of this video. And if you guys are motivated to make consistent profit from today, and if you guys wish to learn the good techniques to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.